Hey guys, today I want to do a video of this little this little Holmes 4-inch USB rechargeable little fan. About this at Target in Florida, because as you know, I've said it before, me and my family like to have a fan on, or especially my stepdad, have a fan on while we sleep. So, like a portable fan for noise. Of course, I also have my ceiling fan on the ceiling, but in the San Marino in the bedroom upstairs. But can't really do anything down here because I'd probably bonk my head unless I replace one of these. But I don't want to do that because there's a dimmer on the wall over there. Unless I put something over there and just put a regular switch, because technically there's two switches there, because this is one section and it was controlled by the one switch on the right, and then those two there were controlled by the switch on the left originally, before I put that smart dimmer in. And that other dimmer on the right does nothing, but that's the part that's not important to this video. It's also got a clip on it, and it's like, this can rotate like 360 degrees and stuff. There's a logo on the back, made in China. Of course it is. USB Type-C, that's nice. Power button. Turns on to high, so I'll put it to low. That's medium. Here's low. There's high. She does throw good air. I don't know where that little 125 fan is, or otherwise I'd compare that to this. I think it's probably in the closet somewhere, but who knows. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.